Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful Katha stitch collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful color, purple shade with beautiful fully hand Katha stitch work. Very nice one. A Malai silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable and fully hand Katha stitch design. This one is full base part, diagonally work, and this one is beautiful floral pattern, fully hand Katha stitch work, and this one is border stripes pattern, fully hand stitching, hand Katha stitch design. Very nice one. Malai silk with beautiful hand Katha stitch work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful diagonally work, and this one is pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand Katha stitch floral design. Soft lightweight Malai silk with beautiful fully hand Katha stitch design. Very exclusive one, fully hand work. This one is beautiful color also, purple shade with hand Katha stitch design. Beautiful stripes pattern, fully hand stitching border, and I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. This one also beautiful color, green shade, bright green shade, Malai silk with beautiful hand Katha stitch work. Very exclusive one, beautiful look, soft lightweight Malai silk with fully hand Katha stitch design. This one is beautiful stitching work, fully hand stitch, and this one is fine hand stitch border. Beautiful work. This one is full base part, fine fully hand Katha stitch, hand pricked Katha stitch design, and this one is full base part, diagonally work, very beautiful one, green shade, bright green shade, and this one is running blouse piece with beautiful stitching border, and this one is pallu also very beautiful design, fully hand design, hand Katha stitch design, highlighted stripes pattern, stitching stripes pattern, and this one is beautiful hand design. Very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable fully hand Katha stitch work, and I will suggest this silk material with buta work, golden zari weaving floral buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant exclusive bright looks. And this one also very bright one, black base with beautiful hand Katha stitch work, very bright one. Let me open, multicolor work, and this one is full base part Malai silk with beautiful fully hand Katha stitch design. This one is fully hand stitch, and this one is stitching border, fully hand stitching work, and this one is beautiful colorful hand Katha stitch work. Very exclusive one, Malai silk with beautiful stitching work. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, stitching border, and this one is full base part, beautiful heavy work, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy hand Katha stitch work, fully hand stitch. Very nice one, bright beautiful looks, very elegant also, and I will suggest this pocket work, blue shade bouquet work, synthetic material bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful exclusive looks. This one also beautiful color very nice one, purple wine shade with fully hand Katha stitch design, Malai silk with beautiful work. Very nice one. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, stripes, fully stitchings, hand stitching stripes with beautiful Katha stitch design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful buta pattern, stitching buta pattern. Very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable Malai silk with beautiful hand Katha stitch design. This one is running blouse piece, stitching border, and this one is beautiful fully hand stitching work, beautiful color also, bright one, and this one is full pallu part, fully heavy hand Katha stitch work. Very exclusive, bright beautiful one. This one is border heavy work, this one is base part, fine stitching buta, and I will suggest this silk material with polka weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. And this one also, you know, very nice one, maroon shade, bright maroon shade, Malai silk with beautiful stitching, very colorful hand stitch kantha stitch design. Let me open, very exclusive one. This one is, you know, pallu also very beautiful, heavy floral pattern, fully hand kantha stitch design, very bright color, beautiful looks, heavy work, fully hand stitch. And this one is border portions, multicolor, fully stitching stripes pattern border. And this one is, you know, base part, beautiful work, heavy work diagonally, full base part work. This one is diagonally work. And this one is running blouse piece, stitching border. And this one is full base part, beautiful diagonally floral pattern, fully hand kantha stitch design, bright color. And this one is I will suggest this beautiful silk material, checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, smart, bright, exclusive looks. Very beautiful and elegant combinations, very nice one. Malai silk with beautiful hand kantha stitch design. Let me open, very exclusive one, beautiful elegant color, cream shade. And this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful buta, floral buta hand stitching work. And this one is border portion. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful fully hand stitching design, very exclusive one, beautiful work, colorful, soft, lightweight, summer friendly also. And this one is, you know, full base part, border portions, beautiful heavy work. This one is beautiful border. And this one is, you know, base part, beautiful fully stitching floral design. And this one is running blouse piece, stitching border. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, cream shade color. And this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, beautiful, very elegant looks. This one also, you know, very nice one, navy blue shade with colorful hand stitching design, Malai silk with heavy work. Let me open. This one is, you know, full pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy hand stitching design. This one is full pallu part, fully floral pattern stitching design, hand stitching. And this one is stripes pattern, highlighted the pallu, very exclusive one, and fully hand stitching kantha work. And this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful work, fully diagonally work, full base part. This one is beautiful floral pattern kantha stitch, heavy kantha stitch design, and full base part is diagonally work. This one is diagonally work. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece, stitching border. And this one is beautiful diagonally full base part work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, navy blue shade with colorful hand stitching design. And I will suggest the silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This for your party wear also, very nice one. And this one also, you know, very exclusive design, very nice one. Cream shade, Malai silk with beautiful design, you know, very exclusive looks. Let me open. This one is pallu part, fully hand stitching, hand kantha stitch design pallu, beautiful smart work, smart design work, fully hand stitching design, hand kantha stitch, fully hand stitch. And this one is pallu part. And this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful small buta pattern with fully stitching checks pattern and buta design, very nice one, beautiful elegant looks. This one is, you know, upper portion, upper part, fully heavy stitching design. And this one is pleat section, border portion, beautiful stitching work, fully hand stitch, beautiful stitching, hand kantha stitch design, very exclusive one. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece, stripes pattern, stitching border, very nice one. This one is pleats, this one is pleat section, and this one is upper part, fully heavy work. And I will suggest this bouquet work, beautiful heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright but very elegant looks. This one also black shade, very bright one, Malai silk with beautiful hand katha stitch design, very nice one, soft lightweight. And this one is full base part. This one is pallu part, beautiful fully stitching design, hand stitch design pallu, katha stitch design, fully hand plait. And this one is beautiful one. And this one is base part, full base part is heavy work, diagonally work, fully hand stitch design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one, black base with beautiful work. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. And this one also navy blue, royal blue shade with beautiful floral hand katha stitch design, very nice one, beautiful bright looks, bright color also. This one also beautiful work, full base part is beautiful work. This one is upper base, beautiful fully heavy floral pattern hand katha stitch design. And this one is border stripes pattern, fully hand stitching design katha work. And this one is split section, beautiful floral pattern, buta pattern, floral fully stitching design. This one is pleats, and this one is running blouse piece, stitching border. This one is pleats part, and this one is upper part, fully heavy floral design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu end, beautiful hand katha stitch design, very exclusive one, middle stripes, highlighted stripes, fully stitching stripes, hand katha stitch design. And this one is full pallu part, very exclusive one, bright beautiful looks, bright royal blue shade. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There are many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. Very beautiful one, red shade, maroon red shade with beautiful white katha stitch work, very nice one, beautiful design, bright looks. And this one is pallu part, beautiful one, heavy hand katha stitch design. This one is pallu part, beautiful work, fully hand stitch design, very exclusive one, malai silk, soft lightweight comfortable. And this one is full base part, this one is border portions, beautiful hand stitching design. And this one is full base part, buta pattern, very exclusive one, soft lightweight. And this one is running blouse piece, stitching border. And this one is full base part, very beautiful, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, very nice one. And this one also beautiful one, a bright black shade with heavy hand katha stitch design, very exclusive one, bright yellow shade with beautiful heavy work, fully hand stitching design. And this one is pallu part, beautiful work, fully hand stitch floral design, and beautiful color combinations, very nice one. This one is border portions, fully stitching stripes pattern border. And this one is full base part, diagonally work, full base, very nice one. This one is full base part, diagonally work, very nice one, very smart, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this yellow shade with heavy buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. And this one also very nice one, off-white shade with very colorful hand katha stitch work, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful work. This one is border portions, stripes border with checks with floral design, hand katha stitch design, very nice one. This one is border portion, and this one is full base part, off white base, very nice one, malai silk, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is full base part, this one is stitching border, running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful stitching checks with floral design, hand stitching work, fully hand stitch, very nice one. Exclusive looks, very elegant looks. Malai silk of white base, and this one is I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, brocade work, synthetic material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful color, yellow shade, mustard yellow shade with a very colorful floral design, full base part, very nice one. Let me open. This one also beautiful diagonally work, full base part. This one is bright mustard yellow shade with beautiful floral pattern, fully hand stitching design, and this one is border portions, stripes pattern, fully hand stitching design border, and this one is beautiful leaf pattern, buta, very nice one. This one is fully work, diagonally work, full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, diagonally work, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand kantha stitch design, floral pattern, very nice one, soft, lightweight, bright, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, beautiful looks. So very beautiful one, beautiful color, pink, reddish pink shade, beautiful one, and this one Malai silk with beautiful fully hand color stitch design, very exclusive one, beautiful color combination. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand stitching floral pattern, hand stitching design, very nice one, beautiful color, reddish pink shade, and this one is a full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is border portions, white threaded fully hand stitching design border, and this one is border portion stitching stripes with beautiful floral pattern, and this one is full base part, buta pattern, fully hand stitching design. This one is full base part, full base part is beautiful work, and this one is running blouse piece, stitching stripes pattern, border pattern, running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, bright beautiful color base for your party wear also, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, pink, reddish pink shade with beautiful hand kantha stitch design. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And I have draped a beautiful saree, purple, wine purple shade with beautiful hand stitching work, hand kantha stitch work. This one is border, and this one is half portions, beautiful buta pattern, hand stitching design, and this one is half portion, pleat section, fully stripes pattern, hand kantha stitch design. Half portion is a stripes pattern and half portion is buta pattern stitching work, and this one is border, beautiful hand stitching design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand kantha stitch design, very nice one, beautiful looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable Malai silk, fully hand stitching work, very nice one. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.